Today is 7th August 2021, 2021. Another shoot from Radha's Rasoi, Radha's Kitchen.
Hi, good morning. Today I want to show two recipes which go in combination with one another. One is muddapappu, plain dal, and the other one is brinjal and mango pulusu. So it is not like I will not be using any sambar powder, rasam powder, nothing I will be using. This is a simple preparation, but it's very tasty. So for that I am taking 1 cup of tuvar dal, simple plain tuvar dal for muddapappu, and for the brinjal and mango pulusu I want to take 1 mango which I have cut into small pieces. 4 brinjals I have taken. Depending upon the number of pieces, I may even take only 2 or 3 also. And 2 green chilies I have cut into pieces. Jaggery for taste. As per taste, I will be taking curry leaves, coriander, salt, haldi, and simple seasoning mustard and methi along with hing. And all this I'll be doing with til oil, and for the dal I'll be using pure ghee. So let's get started. So for the dal, I'll be roasting the dal, dry roasting the dal. See, I have taken the plain tuvar dal. So I have dry roasted the dal like this. I just roasted on a stove top. Now this we will be putting it in the cooker. It is as per your requirement. I have taken this much. Now I will be washing it twice or thrice, and then I will be putting it in the cooker. Now I have washed my dal 3-4 times. I have put water in the fried dal, dry roasted dal, and in this I will be putting 1 small cube of jaggery, then half small pinch of turmeric. Put the cooker and let it whistle for 5 whistles, because it is dal, it has to be soft. 5. Now let's get started with the second item. I am putting it is a simple recipe. I am putting my pan on the stove. So no oil is required actually, not much of oil. I have put my 1 mango which I have cut. You can see the mango taste. If it is very sour or very kata or baga pulupunte, then you can add the brinjal as per the kattapan of this mango. If it is not very sour, only few brinjals are required. So I am using 1 cup of mango which I have put in my this thing. Now I am cutting my brinjals. I have put my 2 green chilies cut. Now I am putting these are washed brinjals already. See, I have put mango. I have put mango, brinjal and green chilies. Now I will give it a small toss. I am adding just a small half spoon of oil and then enough water so that it will get cooked. Now add turmeric, a pinch of turmeric and salt. Later on we can check whether the salt is sufficient, but if you put salt it will cook very fast. Now close the lid and let it come to boil. This is almost after 10 minutes. Let's see. See how they have boiled. Both the mango and the brinjal. They have become soft and mushy. Now let's add our ingredients. I am adding my curry leaves. I am adding my coriander. Then my jaggery. This is as per your taste. The jaggery is as per your requirement. See? At this point you can check your salt. Now 2 tablespoons of rice flour. This will add little body to the pulusu. You can add besan also, but rice flour is a preferred option. Now the rice flour and the rice flour with water, I am just adding slowly. That's all. Let it come to just one boil and we can put our seasoning. Now I am adding seasoning. I am putting tadka. 2 spoons of ghee and the normal methi, mustard and a small piece of hing. I have not added any chili powder, so I am adding 2 red chilies in the seasoning. Just give it a mix. Switch off the stove. Give it a mix. Now our yummy brinjal and mango pulsu is ready. Let's see about the dal which we have put the cooker. This dal we have already put turmeric and a small piece of jaggery. Now let me add my salt. I have mashed my dal sufficiently. Now I am adding 3 spoons of ghee. Give it a nice good stir. And our dal is done. So let's serve it. So our both items are done. Serve it with hot rice and ghee. Nice dal, and to go along with it, nice pulusu or kodambu, which is a rare combination, and this I learned from my friend Padmini. Her mother is a specialist in this. So thank you, auntie. Thank you so much for this recipe. I tried to do a little like you, but I hope I have succeeded. Thank you so much.